Hey everybody, it's Renee here, and today we're going to make some fun collage. So come watch with me. So we are going to work with collage today, and I am just using this little book. I'm going to adhere the different pictures and whatnot onto here. The adhesive I'm going to be using is just glue sticks. I might seal it with a gel medium, but this is what I'm using for now. I love this glue. It's a planner, well, it's a planner glue pen, but it was from Prima, and you could have got different colors. I have pink, I have yellow, I have green, and apparently they don't sell anymore, but I absolutely loved it. So we will probably be using that. And I'm using for some of the pieces just bits and pieces that I collect. A lot of them might be Tim Holtz, it might be stuff I got off Amazon, just all kinds of, you know, pieces from over the years. So we're going to be using those. This little container, and I love this container. I have same thing, Tim Holtz, Amazon. I have authentic pictures. I have recreate pictures, bits and pieces. Some of the stuff is from my journal, so ignore those. But you know, lots of different little trinkets and things we're going to add on to here. So I'm going to start with this, and I know some people. Shout out to Josie. She uses this and just has it as a book, as her collage book. For me, I'm using mine sometimes as a collage book or even as a master board. So you can take out your pieces, you can make, you know, different tags or whatever you want to go into your journals or other creations from what you have on here. So sometimes I will rip one out and put it through my die cut machine, make tags or whatever you want, or even just rip them out just to make different shapes. So let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do is pull out some pieces. And the first thing I like to do is get some of the bigger pieces and put them down first for in the background. So these are some pieces I got. These ones are digitals, but most of these I got through Amazon. And a lot of them are smaller ledger pieces and different receipts and that kind of a thing. But we are going to pop those down. You could use scrapbook paper. You can really use whatever you want. And some of these I'm not going to go right to the edge because I might slide other different elements and pictures and things below them. With this, on some of these, I am going to go off the edge because I can trim it after. So there's that one. Just going to pull a whole bunch of different things so we can see what we want to use. I have some washi stickers, like things like this. This is new. That is from the 49 and Market line that was just released. You know, like there's so many different things you can use. There's no right, there's no wrong. This, I love these. I bought a ton of these. I have tons of different film strips. They are authentic film strips. Yeah, so just whatever you want for backgrounds. This is a digital. And I kind of like that. I'm going to put that down. This one is a little bit more glossy, just because of the kind of paper I used. I used photo paper. So, and that one I am going to go off the edge. And I will cut that after, like I said, because we will put different things over top of it as well. And I've had people ask me before when I was doing collage, what is the purpose of doing collage? Really, I just like the look of it. I like all the different elements, all the different design aspects of it. You know, anything kind of goes. it's kind of happy. You know, taking art all through my elementary, junior high, high school years, because I was a huge art buff, art lover, always have been. Collage was some of my fun things that I really liked to do. Collage, drawing, collage is just, I don't know, it's just a happy feeling because anything goes. And I know a lot of people who really like to create this way. You could do it in themed. You could have it, you know, totally be matchy match. I'm not completely about matchy match at all, actually. And you'll notice I pull away from myself when I'm tearing, and I'm using this side. I don't want the white edge on these ones right now. So, and that's all just personal preference. So, that's sheer personal preference. It's best if you glue, not on your project. I'm kind of cheating a little bit. Because you'll do what I just did and get glue on there, but that's going to be covered eventually anyway. And my glue does dry clear, so I'm not terribly worried about the purple. The purple I like just because you can see where you've glued. Okay, some people might like with their collage to do chunky. I'm not a chunky kind of gal when it comes to collage. But I don't dislike seeing that. I just don't create that way. What are we gonna do for here? You will find too, because I watch a lot of people do collage, and everybody does it different. Some take their time in finding their elements, some don't. Some just throw it on there. It really is personal preference. For me, myself, I am not a person who takes a long time to make any kind of creations. That's just how I create, and I like it like that. Main reason being is because I find sometimes the stuff I create the fastest, and I'm not saying it's a competition to hurry and get it done. I'm just a fast creator. Is sometimes the stuff I like the most. So that's just a personal preference thing. I was just in California and I got some awesome pieces from Hobby Lobby. And I think they were just a Hobby Lobby brand that we don't have here in Canada, and I loved them. I got so many cool little pieces and things I've never seen before because we don't have Hobby Lobby here. I sure wish we did. But anyways, you people that are in the States, you're so lucky you have Hobby Lobby. Just saying. Okay, so this is a Hobby Lobby piece. Gonna put that there. So I'd love to know how many of you guys do collage. Put it in the comments. I would love to see other people's collage. I love to see what people make. I love, you know, just looking on YouTube or Pinterest and seeing what other people make, because some people do things so completely different, and it's kind of neat to see just how different things can be. And I like to support other makers. I think in this world of creating, that's what you do, you support one another. Okay. You know what, I might wait to put that one on. I'm gonna put This one is just poking its head through the back here, and I really like it. Yeah, I like that one. And actually, you know what, I think this, I'll just put this down because I'll probably seal this after. Okay, that. Now my piece that I don't mind my singing. It's dreadful out here, but all right, let's see. I love all these pieces and all these round bits and all these, you know, square bits and all the shapes and everything that makes collage pop. So that, I have lots of like different stickers, and I might use that one. I have a whole bunch of videos coming up soon. I've got lots of junk journals coming up. And I have some other videos on making ephemera and different ways you can make ephemera, and a whole bunch of reuse, recycle type videos. We're going to be doing some more art journaling stuff. We have lots coming up, so you're going to want to make sure you hit that like, or actually, sorry, you're going to want to make sure you hit that subscribe and hit the bell notification and the all, so you get the videos as they come available. And if you do like my video, please like them, because it shows me what kind of content you like and what I should keep creating. So I appreciate that. I've had some people say, and I would love to get your input on this, that they like my faster videos. They don't like the long videos. And I don't know if that's like just a common thing, like from anybody, or what's the case. So I would love to hear from you and find out, what do you like? Do you like shorter videos? Do you like longer videos? Because I have heard people say that. So I don't know if that's common. So this is just a very fast video on showing you some collage, and this is at real time. I'm not really editing any of this, so you can see this is how fast you can create collage. And I'm in no way like sorting this stuff ahead of time. I'm just doing this as I'm chatting with you. So, you know, and like I said, anything goes. You can create these to your heart's desire. Whatever works for you, that's what you do. So this one, I'm going to trim it a little bit. This is a sticker, so I'm just going to give it a little trim because I don't want it completely boxy. And I'm going to put off the edge, go like that. This one is a little bit more muted. It's not really colorful. And let's see, I might want to put like just a couple more little snippets. These are Tim Holtz snippets. Maybe put one more in here. And another little piece in here. Yeah, I don't want to do too much because you could overdo it. So that is so not my intention. I want to get something with a little pop of color. Well, this would work. Okay. That's where I'll put it. Okay, so there's my page. All I have to do is just cut around the edge. If you want, you can seal it with some gel medium, and that's the whole page. Look how fast that was. This was a very fast project, sorry, to create, and as you can tell, I'm not editing anything, so you can see just the timeline and how fast this was to do. So anybody can do this. You can pop these together. You can make some really cool projects. We will be working on this and making more collage pages coming up soon. So make sure again you hit that subscribe and check out my other methods of social media down below and my other channels and links. And thanks for crafting, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this. I would love to hear more from you, so you can even drop me an email at createandplaywithrenee@gmail.com and let me know what kind of videos would you like to see, because I have so much fun coming up with these and creating, and I hope you enjoy watching them as much as I like making them. So have an awesome day, and we'll talk to you soon.